Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a customer list in Google Ads. First, log into your Google Ads account. On the left-hand menu, hover over Tools and Settings. Under Shared Library, click Audience Manager. In Audience Manager, click the plus icon and choose Customer List. Select your customer data file and upload it directly from your computer. Give your list a segment name for easy tracking. Choose the customer type, specify the data type, confirm the file format is correct, then click Save and Continue. And that's it. Your list is now ready to be used for targeting in Google Ads. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.